All right, how's it going? This is your boy Michael, or Mike from Make It Kind Entertainment. And today, where I'm at is the 25th of January, 2023. Currently 2:05 a.m., where I live here in Ohio. It is currently 2:05 p.m. on the 24th. Well, we're 13 hours ahead. So I'm making a video to show you there's some mechanics here working for a favorable snowstorm to go from here across the Ohio Valley and possibly bomb out on the Northeast. Now, how do I know this? You ask me. Well, how do I know? Well, look here. You obviously can see some indications of a trail. See here? There's one trail that shows a cold front pushing through from an area of low pressure. Up here in Canada, you can see a piece of energy coming down here. Right there, there's another one. And here, the departing storm from a couple days ago dropped a couple inches of snow across the Great Lakes is going this direction, right? So look at this. So if you think about it, it's just like mechanics. Like, as a kid, you remember gears in a machine, you twist one, and one goes this way and one goes that way. Same thing, the mechanics of weather. That's what I call it, the mechanics. So this storm is out to sea. It draws a high pressure. High pressure swings this way. That enables this low to move across that ridge. So right here, so I'm going to make a forecast. I can't predict it, but the area of low pressure is right about here. And if this tail front right here, see it? It's going to meet up eventually. Somewhere here or here. And there's going to be at least a foot or more of snow will fall in this corridor right here. But if this doesn't move quick enough, see that, you can see right there. That's dropping in. That's what we're looking for, this piece of energy right here. See it? Right here. This will meet up with our low. If they meet up right about right here, say they meet here, and we got all this Gulf moisture streaming in from the low circulating this way, like this. It'll circulate like that, and then a high around it will bring the wind. It'll be a windy and snowy day across the mid-Ohio Valley area. Illinois, Indiana, you guys are definitely getting a snowstorm. Detroit, definitely 100% all snow. But I am thinking this low is going to go like this. It's going to track, and it's going to go like just right like this. Just like that. That's my assumption. And if I'm right, hey man, give me a star for it. But you can see right here, it's going to meet with these, once this branch meets with this low. Right here, you can see it forming. If those meet right about here, there's going to be trouble right here. And I think there's going to be an ice storm right in this area here. Obviously, because the warm front will push ahead. The colder air from this other storm left the still cold air behind, and the warm air rising over top of the cooler air will cause an icy situation, probably right in this area. But I would say anywhere from Detroit to Muncie to Indianapolis, Chicago, you guys are all going to be Snowtown. But Canton, Akron, Cleveland, Pennsylvania, you're going to get a mixture, eventually go all snow once the actual Arctic front passes. You'll go to all snow. It's not going to be a polar jet it's just going to be a classic snowstorm. Then once it branches off to the north and east, New Brunswick and Canada up here will obviously get the heat when it bombs out. Anyways, thank you for the weather update. I appreciate it. Courtesy of kind. Oh, make it kind entertainment. No, I'm not going to cut the video and redo it because I made a mistake. All right, enjoy your guys' holidays. God bless everyone. Enjoy.